check out the final video of this build. Want everybody to know almost all the products that we used in this truck are in the description below. We've also put prices on almost every product that we used actually in the video. Just keep in mind these projects are subject to change at any moment. Supply changes, demand. We sometimes have, shipping with coronavirus going on. You never know what's going to happen with prices. So, but as of now, these are the prices that are on the on these products on our website. Make sure you check out McDonaldChromeShop.com. If you're interested in this truck, feel free to contact us, and all of our information is below. Thank you. Thanks for checking out this build. Thanks for checking out the previous videos on this build. This turned out really nice. We did a color change about 2 days before we actually painted this truck. So I'm really glad we did. It actually turned out really nice. To date, this is one of my favorite trucks, just the way it turned out. Like I said, we did good value for as many man hours and the accessories and products we put into this truck. Full list will be in the description below. Alright, let's take you around now and see what we've got. So on this truck, we have the Valley Chrome bumper, $652.99. We have the truck's accessories, blacked out LED headlights. Those are about $225 a piece. The housing is a blacked out United Pacific headlight housing. Those go for about $225 a piece. The JJ bracket. That's actually a truck's accessories JJ bracket. We really like that. It sets it out just a little further than the other one. It has a little different style to it. Those are right around $240 a pair. We've got the Swan. The classic Peterbilt Swan. Sets off any Peterbilt. That is $47.99. There is the Roadworks Darwin style post mount on the side of the cab. Has one bracket in the middle that goes in the middle of the windshield. That retails around $395. On top there, we got the truck's LED dual revolution amber to blue lights. We got 7 of them up there. Those retail for $49.99. Right here we got the Talladega fiberglass 4.5-inch drop fenders. Really like the look of this. We also took about 4 inches spacers inside there, which you could have seen on the last video we posted. So it dropped the front end down a little bit to make it look a lot nicer with that fender. So inside the breathers here, you won't be able to see them, but we have the truck's accessory stars that will shine out of there at night. Right here, we made this. We took a regular blank bracket and put our lights on there the way we wanted to. We left them up. We brought them up a little bit because sometimes you have problems with the hood latch hitting. So we made these ourselves. If somebody else wanted to make those, you'd have about $69.99 in the brackets for a pair. You'd have about $39.99 per light. The lights come with the stainless steel ring already with them, so it really wasn't hard to make those. Here we got the truck's accessories, 9-inch blanks, looking nice. We have a little bit of spots on there because we have hard water. Those blanks are for the pair are $3.99. Right here's the stainless steel truck's accessories the step box covers. Real easy to install, look really sharp, make any truck look good. These step box covers for the pair are $6.99. Here we got our truck's accessories mitered 8-inch exhaust. This exhaust is on sale on our site for $27.99. Includes all the clamps, elbows, all your pieces, excluding the Y pipe. You just got to add that because some people want different Y pipes. Here we put the chrome ring around the window in the side of the door. That retails $49.99. One of my favorite parts of this truck is the 12 gauge customs mirror brackets. You have to order the mirror that fits in there, but boy does it make it look nice. Those mirror brackets they're not cheap, but they are very, very great quality. Those are $774.99 a pair. You do have to order the mirrors also. They're around $129.99 each. Here you got the Roadworks low window trim. It's $69.99 a pair. Up above there, you've got the 5-inch truck's accessories window chops, but these ones come down in the front to 9 inches and make it to where this Darwin visor lines up nicely, and then it comes back up to the 5-inch. We really like that look. Made it look really nice, like it was meant to be, instead of having just a much shorter window chop on the side or having a really huge one on the side that was hard to see out of. We thought this one made everything look nice. Okay, now on the back of the cab, we have 6 4-inch round truck's accessories, red to blue lights, covered, and those retail at $39.99 each. Then you got the mirrored bezel we put on. That's a United Pacific part, and I believe those are $5.99. So here in the middle we have the Roadworks rear window visor. That goes for $149.99. Here's the truck's accessories half fenders we used. $6.99 for the pair of skins, $309.99 for the brackets you'll need for to mount all the fenders. Here's the wheel polishing we did. The wheel polishing is $75 a wheel. Those center caps are truck's accessories, the full hub covers. Those are $44.99. Back here we have our Mudflap hangers. We also have the truck's accessories red to blue lights in there. So these Mudflap brackets retail for $349 a pair. We got our McDonald washout and chrome shop mud flaps on here. Then around this side of the truck you just have all the same. Here's all the truck's accessories dual revolution lights. We also have underglow under the bumper, underglow under there from trucks. Now during the daylight, with those reflective covers on, you can't really see the blue light, but at night it shines right through there. So you can see them back there. Like I say, anybody can take those off if that's what they want to do, but it still shines real good at night too. See how this comes down? Actually curves and goes right. That's how flexible those are. They curve right around the bottom. Right around the edge and up. This truck does have a wet kit. This tank is split on the passenger side for oil and fuel both. This wet kit is set up to operate an end dump. So if you have a need for that, great. our basic diamond plate deck plate. We did just go with these two lines coming up with kick attaches. Anybody can throw a stainless steel box on there or a fiberglass one painted. We could do that if somebody wanted to, but it's just an option. On this truck we went this way, so it's flexible and versatile for what different people that are interested in it could do. So let's check out the inside. First off, we threw on some foot pedals. Here is the Boston Pro Ride. I think earlier I said wide ride. They are Pro Ride. We made them low riders. 2 of them. Retail price, the pair together, is about $1,500. The armrests with the back plate, that's aluminum. The wood, the pair of them, I believe are around $399. Here we got Steering Creations, black painted steering wheel, 18-inch, $164.99. Comes with your center bezel, also, and then the hub that holds this on is $44.99. All right, let's fire up. Okay, now it's got a digital gauge for your speedometer and odometer. Obviously been replaced. We don't know 100% the total accurate miles.
Accessories Retro Series LED projector headlights are a game changer with classic styling combined with modern technology. They're twice as bright as standard LED headlights and 4 times as bright as halogen bulbs. The secret is their LED projector technology, which features powerful Cree LEDs that face the back of the light and reflect off a mirror to bounce wider and stronger beam patterns forward, making it easier to see and be seen in any conditions. Truck's retro headlights integrate the high beam, low beam, and turn signal using dual halo accents all into one stunning and innovative headlight assembly. Mounting is simple, and these stunning headlights are designed to fit Peterbilt 357, 365, 367, 378, 379, and 389, and will also fit custom applications for most trucks. These striking LED projector headlights are sold individually or as a kit, including Truck's stainless steel mounting bracket. Another original by Trucks. For more information or to find a local distributor, please visit our website at truxaccessories.com.